Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're gonna discuss about the numeric streams here. Okay, so what basically is a numeric stream? Okay, numeric stream is nothing but these are all belongs to primitive type reference. Okay, let's if you want to take a deep look into it, under the numeric stream we have three different types of streams, which is nothing but int stream, which belongs to primitive int, and long stream which belongs to primitive long, and the double stream which belongs to primitive double. So what does that mean? Okay, let's take in a simple example and see what is int stream. Okay, I'm going to create a simple example. So let me create a new class, name it as a stream or numeric stream example. So and I'm going to have a main method here. Let's create a simple example. Let me create a list of integers. Come on, integer, and list L1 is equal to arrays dot, let me import the list first, arrays dot as list, and let me provide some data here. 5 6 7, okay, something like that. Okay, the list. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is here I want to perform an operation. So at the end of the operation I want the sum of the all the numbers in my list. We all know that how to do that. We can simply make use of the stream and the reduce method. Okay, let's create a new method like static calculate. It has to return an integer, right? Static int calculate sum, and it will accept this as an input. It will accept the integer list as an input here. Okay, so it has to return some integer, right? Return. So I'm gonna open the stream L1 dot stream, and then I'm going to use the reduce method. So just take a look at it. Reduce method, which will take as a two parameters. Either it has to be a initial value, which is nothing but a seed value, and the unary operator or a binary operator. Okay, so let me keep it as a 0 as my initial, and I'm going to create it's a binary operator, right? Okay, let me create a binary operator here. Static binary operator, so which will turn the so I'm gonna keep as an integer. So binary operator, so the input parameters, for example x comma y, and the body. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna multiply x, or summing x plus y. Okay, let's use a operator here. So we used L1 dot stream and reduce. So reduce will accept two parameter. One is the seed value, which is nothing but the initial value, and the second value is gonna be the operator, binary operator. Either you can do like this, or if you want you can directly keep the expression here itself. Both will work. Okay, for now let's keep it as a simple. So I'm going to keep it as a BO. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to call the method and see what is the outcome of it. What is the sum of the all the elements. So method I'm going to call is calculate sum. Calculate sum, and I'm going to pass the L1. Got it? So I want to print the output. So total is okay, and I'm gonna run this now. Just right click and run it. Total is 46. Okay, it looks pretty simple and straightforward, right? So what is wrong in it? There is nothing wrong in it, but you can improvise this particular scenario, because what basically is happening is you're opening a stream and you're using the reduce function to do the multiplication. Okay, we all know that integer is a wrapper class of primitive int. So whenever you do any operation under the integer, so what basically is happening is it will convert a integer, a wrapper class integer, to int primitive type, which is nothing but the unboxing event. So that will take a place and that will take some time. But when you're directly went to int stream, we can reduce that particular conversion part. Okay, let's see how we are going to do that. So I'm going to create another method, static int calculate sum with stream. So I'm going to accept the same input parameters here. Okay, or I'm not going to use any lit definition here. Okay, let's keep it as a okay. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a int stream here. So the way we need to create an int stream is int stream. So stream int stream is equal to int. So I'm going to use the factory method int stream dot range. There are two methods, range and range closed. I'll explain later in the next video what is the range and what is the range closed. So I'm providing some data here. So let's start from 1. So what basically happening is the int stream dot range closed method, it will accept two parameters. It will create the data range between 1 to 6. Nothing. It's like from and to, or where it starts and where it ends. It has to start from 1, ends with 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same thing I created as a stream here. So I'm going to pass this int stream to this method. Okay. So I'm going to call the method here int stream. So I'm going to pass the int stream. Alright. So I need to return the data here. Return int stream the method we can use as sum. That is a method which can help us to do the operation here. Okay, let's run the method and we'll see the outcome. So okay, I need to print the data. So total using stream. Let's run it again. You got the data, right? So the total using stream is 21. So okay, let's keep the same thing here and we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Let's run it again. See, both returns the same data, but int stream is effective. The reason is we are using direct primitive streams. So the conversion, the boxing operation will not happen. I mean, unboxing the wrapper integer to int primitive type. Okay. In the next video, we're going to continue the streams, numeric streams, and the factory methods. Thank you.